Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Windows 10. Actually these shortcuts are very useful, but most of the people do not know how to use them properly. So let us start it. At first, if you press Windows logo key, Shift and S button together, you can find here shortcut bar has appeared here. So if you want to copy any part of the window, so you can click any of these options and select that part. Like I selected this one, and if I drag over here as a rectangle, so this part is copied to the clipboard. Now if you want to copy it in the paint, you can see here I pressed Ctrl and V and it came here. So this is how you can use this toolbar. This is called Snip and Sketch. Anyway, let us move to the next tip. You can see here, if you press window and period together, this emoji will appear. So let me move to another window. Like here you can see, if I press Windows button and the period button together, it has come up here. So now you can use any of those emojis. Okay, so any of those things you can bring it here. This is the shortest way to use these emojis. Now let us move to the next. If you want to open the File Explorer, simply you need to press the Windows and E button together. You can see here I got the File Explorer. I'm closing it. Let us move to the next slide. Well, now if you want to go back to your desktop, the easiest way to go is press the Windows button and D. You see, I just came back to the desktop. Now I'll go back to the previous window by clicking here. The next, if you want to open the settings quickly and find any type of settings, just press Windows logo and I. You can see here the settings has come. So if you want to find, like if you want to change the username or password, right here username, or you see after writing user it came here, add or edit or remove users, change password, all these options. So any settings you can just type and bring it, search it easily. Well, number 6, the next slide is one of the most easiest one. I think most of you know how to use this. If you want to press, if you want to copy any file, you just need to select the file, press Ctrl and C, and go to the location where you want to paste and press Ctrl and V. Still, it can be used for the text as well. Now let us move to the next. In the number 7 slide, this is also a similar action. Like if you want to cut anything, like any file or any text, you can press Ctrl X and go to the place where you want to paste it and press Ctrl and V. These two are common, I think most of you know already. Now slide number 8. Here if you press Alt and Tab, you see I press Alt and Tab together, and do not leave the Alt key, and you can see all the windows that are minimized in my taskbar has appeared here. So if you press the tab button one by one, you will be able to select these windows. So anyway, I'm going back to this window, so I will just release it here. Well, now I'm going to the last tip. The last but not least, this is also one of the important tip. If you want to bring the on-screen keyboard, or sometime if you have a touch screen monitor, you can set as task keyboard buttons. So right click on your taskbar and select this option, show task keyboard button. So I have already selected this button, so I'm not going to deselect it. So after selecting it, you will find the keyboard will appear here, and if you click on here, you can find the keyboard is here. So if you want to type anything, suppose your keyboard is not functioning properly or there are some other problems, just okay, let me get back. Just bring your cursor here and write anything. Okay, it will appear here. So guys, thanks for watching the video. That is all for today and all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.